Hi, my name is Papa Ray, and I'm so excited to be here to share this video with you. I want to share a father's blessing with you. For all those people who have never heard your father say, I love you and I bless you, I want to stand in that place as your father, and I want to bless you. I don't care where you've been or what you've done. You are worthy to be blessed. And I want to do that for you. I want you to clear your calendar, turn off your phone. Because after this blessing, I want you to be able to sit and rest and reflect. And please, don't listen to this or watch this while you're driving your car. I know that you will be so blessed. My daughter, I want to bless you. But before I do that, I got to share something with you. I got to say that I'm sorry for all the times that I hurt you. I want to say I'm sorry for all the times that I wasn't there for you. I want to say I'm sorry for all the wrong things that I did. I want you to know it wasn't your fault. You're not the reason that I wasn't able to do the things I should have done. I said some bad things to you, and I'm so sorry. I should have never said them things. I'm sorry I wasn't there, that you felt abandoned. It wasn't you. It was me. It was out of my emptiness and out of my brokenness. I wasn't able to give you the love that you deserved. I want you to know it was not your fault. None of it was your fault. I'm so sorry that I didn't hold you, that I didn't love you. I'm so sorry that I didn't give you the attention that you deserved. I'm sorry. I want to ask you to forgive me. This is very important that you're able to forgive, because you can't have healing without forgiveness. So I'm going to ask you to say, I forgive you, Father, out loud. Now I want to bless you. I want to bless the time of your conception. I want to say you were not a mistake. You were not an accident. You were loved and you were wanted. I bless the first trimester in your mother's womb, and I say you were loved and you were wanted and you were accepted. I bless the second trimester in your mother's womb. You're not rejected. You were not abandoned. You were loved and you were wanted as a daughter. I bless the third trimester in your mother's womb. You're not rejected. You're not abandoned. You are not worthless. I break every curse, every spoken curse, every sent curse. I break that off of you. I call your spirit to life. I call your spirit to rise up. I call your spirit to face forward. And I bless you as my daughter. You are worthy. You are loved. I bless the day of your birth. What a beautiful day. And I want you to imagine that Jesus is the first one to hold you. I want you to imagine that you're looking up into his eyes and see the love, because he is the one who created you. Your eyes, your ears, your nose, even the day you were born was all created by him. And I want you to know that you are perfect. You are created perfectly. And you are so beautiful, my daughter. I am so happy that you are my daughter, and I love you so much. I bless you as a toddler, and I say you are not underfoot. You are not in the way. You are not a burden. You were loved, and you were accepted, and you were wanted as a beautiful daughter. I bless the time of your youth. I say you were not rebellious youth. You were not a problem child. You weren't in the way. You were loved. You were wanted. And you were accepted as a beautiful daughter. I bless your teen years. And I say you were not a rebellious and reckless teenager. No. You were not worthless. You were not abandoned. You were loved. You were wanted. And you are accepted as my beautiful daughter. I bless every day, every moment of your life, from the moment of your conception to this moment right now. I bless you. I bless you as my daughter. I bless you as your father. And I say, you are loved. You are accepted. You are wanted. And you are so beautiful. I love you.